Alright YouTube, to begin this haircut, I'm going to take my number 2 guard on my magic clips with the lever closed and just remove all the hair on top. Alright, using my trimmer, I'm going to be setting in my first bald guideline, starting right at the corner of the temple, working it all the way through around the whole head. As you see right here, I kind of stopped towards the middle of the head, and now I'm going to start at the other side and just connect it right at the middle. I use this technique to make sure my line is perfect all the way across. Now with the lever open on my magic clips, I'm going to set in my second guideline, going up about 1 inch, making sure I keep it nice and consistent all the way through. Now to erase that bottom line that I just created, I'm going to close the clipper and flick out that line. Now right here, you're going to be seeing me opening and closing the lever, and that's just to make sure I take out that bottom line. The higher I go up on the fade, the more I open it, just to make sure I don't take off too much hair that I don't need to be taken off. Now with the one guard closed, I'm going to go up about 1/2 inch to create another guideline. Now right above that, I'm going to open up the same guard, the number 1 guard, and take that top line up. I'm going to make sure I have a little flick in that motion, making sure I don't create a harsh line on the top of the head. As you can see, it's already fading into that number 2. Now to remove that last line that I created with the one guard, I'm going to put on the half guard with the lever closed and just flick it out. Now right here, you're about to see me put on the one guard back on and just remove any dark spots that I see and just to erase any imperfections in the fade. Now with the 1.5 guard on my Oster fast feeds, I'm gonna just take off any dark spots on the very top of the fade. This step wasn't necessary because it already looks super blended, but I'm just doing it just to make the fade look a little better. Now for the fade on the beard, it's exactly the same steps, but just going the opposite direction, from top to bottom. Alright, now to bring in the lineup on the forehead, I'm going to always start in the middle and work my way to one side, and then I'll work my way back to the middle and work my way through the other side. Always remember to stretch the skin the opposite direction of where you're stroking the razor. This will help you prevent any cuts on the face or on the forehead. Now right here is a haircut without any fibers added. And right here, you're gonna see me add a little bit of fibers on the side lineup just to make it pop. Alright y'all, so this is the before. And this is how we left the shot. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to leave a like. Make sure to also leave a comment letting me know how I did. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. Peace.